Good morning, seventh graders. We are going to do lesson 13 this morning. For your warm up today, I want you to remember that when you have two numbers next to each other in parentheses, that means there's multiplying. It's the same as if it looked like this. Okay, which would equal 6. So when you have this number right here, where it's negative 38.76 times negative 15.6, you are looking to see if this statement is true or false. So please decide if each one of these four statements are true or false. You do not have to solve it. You just need to decide if it's true or false. Pause, and when you're done, hit play to move on. So for the card sort, I have posted on your Google Classroom this document. Please cut out and match each expression that has the same answer, please. Glue them on a piece of paper with the answer for each equation and have it ready for Monday so that I can collect it to make sure you are doing your work. When you are done, move on to this next problem. So first question, answer the whole table. Your whole table should be filled out. That is, oh geez, go away little box. Okay. So, for example, A is going to be negative 1, or negative 1 half, or 1 half, or negative 6. B is going to be 6, negative 6, or negative 1 half. So when you look at this row right here, it says it's negative A. So we're going to put a negative in a parentheses and put in whatever A is. For this first row, it's negative 1 half. And negative times a negative is positive. So it's positive 1 half. Then if you did negative, and you put in the second row, it would be negative 1 half like this. That one would be negative 1 half. Please continue filling out that table. Now, when you get to these set of questions, when A is negative 1 half and B is 6, which expression has the largest value? So you're going to look at your table up front and go, which one in this table of when A is negative 1 half or B is 6 has the highest value? So if we look at B equals 6, it's this row. Okay. B to the third degree is 216. A to negative 1 half, if we did this row, negative A plus B is not going to be a very large answer. So B to the third is equal to 216. Which has the smallest value? Now, if we did negative 4B in this row, we have to fill in the 6. Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. That is the smallest value. Okay? This is what you're doing for all these questions. You're filling in to find which one answers. So if you have completed the whole table, you should not have a problem. All right, for the last section, this looks like one of our first lessons we did, where A is above 0, so it's positive, and B is below 0, so it's negative. This is the water line. There's a little shark. Sharks don't fly, so it's under the water. So a seagull has a vertical position A, and a shark has a vertical position B. Draw and label a point on the vertical axis to show the vertical position of each new animal. So we have a dragonfly that is going to be lettered D, where D is equal to negative B. So if this is B, negative B must be the opposite, somewhere around there. And then you're going to draw your little butterfly, or dragonfly, and this is D. Do we see how that is the negative version of B? So if this was negative 3, say, and then we did the negative version of it, it would be a positive 3, thus putting it above the 0 or in the air. I hope we all know dragonflies fly. So continue that for each of these questions. And then do not forget to read through your summary. If you have any questions, please email me. Other than that, do not forget to do your practice problems.